Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the US dollar Swiss is pushing down pretty hard. Now, I'll give you my 1 hour time frame analysis in a second, but the problem is with my 1 hour time frame analysis is that it looks like it wants to go up. But when you go up to the daily, weekly, monthly time frames, I am extremely bearish. I think the US dollar Swiss potentially could go down to the 78% on the monthly, which is all the way down to 0.7783. So very bearish on the higher time frames, and the trend could easily just keep on going down really at any time. But then you go down to the 1 hour time frame and you come up with a completely different analysis, which I definitely do, which is that this is potentially like a wave A. This is a A of B, this is a B of B, and this is a C of B. Today's non-farm payroll possibly could cause a big push up for a wave C. Now, the 1 hour time frame definitely makes me think that this is the most likely thing to happen today at the news, and then perhaps next week at the interest rate dollar news that we have on Wednesday, that's when we possibly are going to end a correction and continue the downtrend. Like I said, this is definitely what the 1 hour time frame makes me think. The problem is that the higher time frames are in a huge downtrend, and a lot of times when you're in a big trend on the higher time frames, you'll go to the shorter time frames and come up with reasons to look for longs against the trend. But in reality, because the trend is down, it just keeps on going down and down and down and down. So definitely be aware of the higher time frame trends, because those higher time frame trends are gonna definitely counteract anything you see on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.